Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about how to deactivate or terminate an employee in QuickBooks. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic, so let's get straight into the video. Now the first step is to go to the employee list. So in your QuickBooks dashboard you want to click payroll and then select employees. Step 2 is to select the employee. So click the employee's name to open up their profile. Next is to end employment. So you're going to look for the option make inactive or terminate employment, depending of course on your QuickBooks version. After that, you're just going to enter termination details. So just provide the last working day as well as any required notes and then confirm. A pro tip is once an employee is inactive, you can still view their past payroll records, but you can't run new payrolls on them anymore. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.